Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. This time it will be vanity light, so let's go straight in it. From the thumbnail you've seen, but if you don't know, this is your sun visor, I guess. I don't know how you call it. And this light, what you have in here, that's called the vanity light. And this is the LED kit. The link for this kit is in the description down below. Now let me show you what tools you will need. You will need two tools to change the LED light. First tool and second tool. You will need a pick and your fingers. So these two tools you will need. So let's start. It's as simple as you see right here. It's a slot. So you put your toothpick in there and pry it upwards. See? Then you slowly move it up. It will just pop out. And it will fly under your seat. Nice, great. Okay, never mind. So now you'll be able to see. You can see me. See, you go till the end. It lights off, on, off, on. And now with fingers you can literally put one finger and just pull it outwards. And here it comes out. So the toothpick you need only to remove the cover. Let's open up this. Only one of you can come with me. Only one. There you go. The rest of you can stay there. You will need only two, but it comes in this many. Now literally put like this in. So you see, here's the tab and there's the tab. And you do this. Now, ta-da! Now let's put the cover on. You can see these two tabs right here. Here and here on this side, two tabs, see? And there are three, there are two, here's the tab and here's the tab. So you can see, here is two slots here and three slots. So what you need to do is do it like this. Three slots here, which are three tabs here. You can put it up or down, whichever you want. I usually do from bottom upwards. And then slide it down. Okay, it doesn't wanna. Okay, let's do the top one first. Then slide it up. There you go, it's in. So from the top, put top one in first, then slide it upwards and up and in. There you go. And vanity light upgrade. You can see the GoPro. That's how you guys always see. And there I am behind. Hi. That's it. That's a quick, fast vanity light upgrade. The link for the kit is in the description down below. That's it. That's a fast one which I needed to do together with these. But I didn't have that kit, so it is what it is. This is a quick video how to do it. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!